What's going on? Welcome back to Let's Automate This. Anthony Virgo here, and Chatgpt just released GPT Image 2, and it is going crazy. We're going to dive deep into this. Let's get into some of the highlights and some of the updates. OpenAI just released GPT Image 2. What really makes this special is the first image model with reasoning. So the ability to really think and get the job done when it comes to creating some images. And today we're gonna test it as well. They also updated the scripting in terms of language, so now it's able to transcribe things in its native language or produce things in a native language once you give it to it, which is really big because we know with AI images sometimes a lot of this stuff gets there's an error or something's wrong, something's misinterpreted. So now it has a better understanding of different languages to then create images or flyers, which is going to be huge for any language barriers it had prior to. Also, you're gonna get smarter images with less prompting. So with this model, it's designed to do more with less. This is why the reasoning is a big factor. Now we don't really necessarily have to go back and forth as much as we did with the older model. Now we're gonna be able to get exactly what we're asking for in a shorter amount of time. Less words, less back and forth with AI. AI is going to be able to understand what you need and then give you a realistic version of that. It's also able to search the web, get more details when creating the image, which is going to be huge. So if you're refreshing the image, updating things, want to use anything from the internet, it's going to be 1,000 times better. And then also understanding images as a whole. So screenshots, uploading documents, uploading pictures, uploading products that you want to pitch. That's going to be super big in terms of what it's going to be able to create image wise. Think of marketing campaigns, think of flyers, billboards, a lot of those things. Graphic designers, this is your time to shine. Available for everyone with Chatgpt, Codex, and on the API. So you don't have to do anything extra to use this model, which is really great. So introducing Chatgpt Images 2.0. Let's see what they got going on, man. So introducing Images 2.0, a new era of image generation. Images are languages, not decorations. A good image does what a good sentence does. It selects, arranges, and reveals. It can explain mechanics, stage a move, test an idea, or make an argument. A year ago, ChatGPT released the images, showing images created by AI can be both beautiful and useful. Now it has a wider range of ratios, so you'll be able to prompt it to get the right ratio that you need when making an image. To extend the model's capability to most complex tasks, 2.0 is our first image model with thinking capabilities. When a thinking model is selected in ChatGPT, Image 2.0 can search the web in real time, get the information, and give you multiple distinct images in real time from one prompt. And it will double check its own output. This is amazing. So it's actually gonna check itself, double check itself, and make sure that it's producing the right image that anyone is asking for. Instead of getting something vogue in the neighborhood of what you meant, you'll get something you can actually use. So now they're saying that the images are going to be a lot better with less. All right, and here are some examples they pulling up. All right, this is nice. This looks amazing. You actually take